Diverter 7 is clear. Send the next batch through. Copy that. Adjusting flow rate now.
The spectrometer data aligns with the rapid assay.
Good. Everything within parameters. Approved.
Check the flow rate on auxiliary line 3.
Reading steady at 99%. Calibration complete.
System active. Pressure looks good.
Confirmed. Troughs are filling on schedule.
Adjust the temperature in Sector 4. We are seeing a slight arrhythmia spike.
Confirmed. Adjusting parameters now.
This meticulous cleaning cycle ensures the highest standards of hygiene in the holding pens before the crates are lowered.
The integration logs are updating fluidly. We are clear for processing.
Acknowledged.
CO2 levels are stabilized at target concentration.
Acknowledged. Noted in the log. We have a fluctuation on the vitals graph. Adjusting the flow rate now.
Confirmed. Alert cleared.
The core temperature in Zone 3 is still fluctuating.
Adjust the flow rate be 5% and monitor the probes.
automated clippers precisely detach the wings. The meat is then stripped and pressed by high-speed rollers before being collected in bins for grinding.
In the pre-grind rinse area, chilled water sprays cascade over the product.
The rotating paddles ensure a uniform blend, tracked in real time by our quality control team.
Here in the forming presses, the ground mix is shaped at high speed. The hydraulic rams compress the patties uniformly before the ejectors rapidly transfer them to the belts. Laser sensors scan the patties, feeding data to the auto adjusters. If the calibration drifts, a manual override ensures continued precision.
Temperatures are holding steady at -50. The crust is forming perfectly.
Beam is clear, bring it forward. Copy that, setting it down now. Inventory should update.
This high-tech rotation system utilizes automated retrievers to guarantee strict FIFO protocol, ensuring the oldest stock is shipped first.
Go ahead and sign the tablet right there for the manifest.
Okay, and here's my paperwork.
Perfect, you're all set.
Pallet 72 is clear.
Confirmed, sending it through now.
Did you scan manifest 72B?
Yes, all clear. This one is ready for netting.
Got the next pallet ready for the freezer. Okay, scanning these now. Manifest looks clear.
Hello. Did you find everything you needed today?
Here are your patties, ma'am. Have a nice day. Yeah.
Thank you. I appreciate it.
The pH levels are stabilized.
Good. The neutralization sequence is holding steady.
To optimize the processing flow, adjust the PID controls here. Ensure the temperature remains within the green parameters during the cycle.
Keep the lines moving to the muster points.
All accounted for in Sector 4, normalized. Time check complete.
The particle distribution is exactly what we aim for.
Yes, the rheology data confirms the improvement. We should proceed with the scale-up.
Check Section 4B for the animal welfare certification.
Verified. I'll add this to the compliance stack.
To ensure global readiness, every certificate must be meticulously stamped and compiled before shipment.
Maintaining a reliable fleet requires precision, from calibrating the reefer units to ensuring every bolt is secured.
The negative sentiment around the mystery patty spiked 20%.
We need to update the flavor profile immediately. The response rate correlates directly.
I'm initiating the protocol now.
The water savings in Q3 really exceeded our projections.
Yes, the new efficiency measures paid off faster than expected. We should highlight this.
Everything running smooth on Station 5?
Yeah, just topped off the feeder. You're good to go.
The integrity check on the main cluster is almost complete.
Looks good. We should be fully synchronized before the morning.